Okay, this one is the second post in the series for the new hairdresser. Things that you can think through, activities you can try to really ground yourself in hair color so you can feel more confident in the beginning story of hair color. So now today, let's focus on this. What is it that we have available that is going to help us break down the natural melanin? So I'm going to write a list of things in order from least aggressive breakdown to more intense breakdown. We have an alkaline demi, permanent hair color, high lift, and lightener. These are the things that are most common that are going to break down that natural melanin. So here's an activity I'm going to encourage you to try.
Whenever one of your clients gets a big haircut, especially when that hair is virgin, you're going to save that hair. You want to save deeper levels all the way to lighter levels. And you're going to use that to start practicing. Now, the goal would be in this particular instance to practice lightening or lifting hair in stages. And the reason we say in stages is because we want you to get comfortable with what remaining pigment looks like as it lifts. So let's say you take this medium to light hair, pick a hair color. Either a hair color that's very light in level 10, level 11 if you have it, or a high lift, or a lightener, of course. Anything with very little dye deposit, permanent clear. And you're going to take that hair swatch and you're going to divide it into about 10 different swatches. You're going to apply the entire formula on all 10 swatches and you're going to lighten it in stages. Don't just lighten it, let it sit, and then look at it when it's done. Lighten it in stages means the first swatch after 10 minutes, you wash it. Second 10 minutes, so now you're at 20, you wash the second one. 30 minutes, you wash the third one. So you're literally giving yourself an opportunity to see what hair looks like as it lifts, whether you're using a permanent clear or a lightener or a high lift, because the way that lift is going to look with those different categories is going to be slightly different. And the goal here is to get really comfortable with what remaining pigment looks like, no matter what natural level you're working on. The more you see it, the less you fear it. So use any one of these. Remember, little dye deposit, little to none, and lighten in stages. Get used to this remaining pigment. And then it will give you a better story, the fuller story of what happens when we lift hair, whether it's an alkaline demi that just shifts, a permanent that will start to lift, the high lift that will give you the highest lift of permanent color, and then a lightener. So you will no longer fear these remaining pigments because you're going to be really, really comfortable with what they look like, no matter how you lift them.